The highest paying trivia apps are usually skill-based competitions where your knowledge and speed determine the outcome, not random luck. By the end, you'll know 7 popular trivia and quiz apps that offer cash competitions or reward opportunities, plus how to choose the right one for your playstyle. The first app is Trivia Star. Trivia Star is a single-player quiz game with thousands of questions across multiple categories. It commonly appears in reward platforms that let users earn rewards by completing game milestones instead of direct cash competitions. The second app is HQ Trivia. HQ Trivia features live trivia contests where players answer questions in real time. Because games happen on a schedule, you'll need to join while a live event is running. The third app is Millionaire Trivia. Millionaire Trivia follows a format inspired by television quiz shows, with increasingly difficult questions as you progress. Reading carefully before answering is just as important as knowing the correct response. Now let's cover 4 more options. The fourth app is Swagbucks Live. Swagbucks Live is the live trivia extension of the Swagbucks platform. Correct answers help players continue through each round, while the broader Swagbucks ecosystem includes additional earning opportunities outside trivia.site. The fifth app is Brain Battle. Brain Battle matches players against each other in fast-paced knowledge competitions. Quick thinking matters because every second counts during timed rounds. The sixth app is Mistplay. Mistplay is not a trivia game itself, but it sometimes includes trivia titles within its catalog of supported mobile games. Always install eligible games directly through Mistplay if you're completing a reward offer. The seventh app is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play also features rotating game offers that may include trivia games depending on what's currently available. Check the listed milestones before starting because every offer has different completion requirements. Before choosing any trivia app, compare how rewards are earned. Some apps pay through competitive matches. Others reward game progress through partner offers. Understanding that difference helps you avoid downloading an app that doesn't match your expectations. Also remember to read the eligibility rules, verify supported payment methods, and keep your account signed in while completing offers so your progress can be tracked correctly. The key takeaway is simple. HQ Trivia, Swagbucks Live, and Brain Battle focus on trivia competition, while Trivia Star, Mistplay, and Rewarded Play are often connected to milestone-based reward opportunities, and Millionaire Trivia offers a quiz experience built around progressive challenges. Your next step is to choose one live trivia app and one reward-based app so you can compare which style you enjoy more. If this guide helped you find trivia games that pay real money, like the video and subscribe for more money app reviews, tutorials, and weekly updates.